Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's Workshop. So today I want to introduce what's going to be one of our next projects. But this project's going to be a little different because it's going to involve not just me, but it's going to involve my son quite a bit. Now, something you all may not know is that here at Shawnee Hills Farm, we homeschool our children. And part of that is to have a lot of hands-on experience. And that's why I involve my children a lot out in the projects. I guess shop class, if you will. But they've had this Jeep powerwheels for several years now, probably about 5 years, and they've all but outgrown it. And something that my son and I like to watch are the repowers, and when they'll put a gas engine in a powerwheels or put an ice frame in suspension. And I don't think we're going to go near as crazy as what most of the guys online do, because there's some amazing creators out there. But I think we're going to take this and try to make it a little more capable and suitable for their current age. What do you think about that? You like that idea? You like the ones on YouTube, don't you? What's your favorite one?
Not the guy who we watched last night.
You like the Gravedigger? Yeah, it's pretty awesome, isn't it? We've been watching Moto Mule, I think is one. I think that's his favorite. So check that out. He's building a Gravedigger. And there's another guy building a Gravedigger. I think his name is Rather Be Welding, with B, just the letter B. He's also doing a Gravedigger with a Ninja engine in it. It's pretty awesome. But there's several others out there. We've watched several over the years. And I think that's what we're going to do. Now, this is going to require some tools I don't yet have. I'm going to have to get a metal lathe and a vertical mill. I actually had those once before, but about 8 years ago, I had a previous employer that did not pay me, and they got sold to pay our bills at the time. No regrets for selling them, but you know, ever since I've sold them, I've wanted to get them back. And so if anybody out there that watches my channel knows of a good deal on a small metal lathe or vertical mill, shoot me a private message. You can go to my website, contact me there, shoot me a message through YouTube, come to my Facebook page, Shawnee Hills Workshop. But yeah, that is something we'll be looking at getting into. Also, if there's any sponsors out there that want to hook us up with some go-kart parts or whatever that might be needed for this project, you can contact me as well. But just a short update, don't want to go too much further than that. I would like to hear your ideas. The one thing that is important to me is I want to keep this, I want to keep it as proportional as possible. I see a lot of them, once they're done, they're not at all proportional. I would like to keep it looking good. Would like it to be capable. Not looking for something fast. I'm looking for something more small that is crawler capable. So we can take him out and let him off-road it some, and let my daughters as well. So if you got any ideas, you know, shoot me some message, put them in the comments below. Also, you can check out my website, ShawneeHillsWorkshop.com. I sell plans there. I've got all the projects I've done in the past, or I shouldn't say all of them, but a lot of the projects I've done in the past. You can also check me out on Patreon. I've been posting the footage from my trailer build, all the raw footage in short little clips. The way, if there's anything you want to see more in depth of, you'll be able to see it there. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.